What's going on, traders? Welcome back to another day in the life, joining you from Denia, Spain. So this long weekend trip in Barcelona turned into a little road trip of Spain, but it's been absolutely fantastic. I'm having a great time. It is, what day is it today? It is Thursday today, so trading is well underway. So we're currently in a Euro USD short position, which I'll show you guys, just kind of sitting around break even. We've already locked in a nice 3% this week already, which was on CAD Swiss franc, which I will share with you guys. This was the position, and I decided to lock it in around these lows because the daily started to reject. Came down to lows of 3.6, but I personally locked it in at around 3%. So it was around here we started rejecting these levels yesterday. Really nice entry, zero drawdown, straight into 3% profit. Lovely way to start the trip. I'm doing a lot more trade breakdowns on YouTube as well now, guys, so you can check these out here. You can see the other videos and the other breakdowns. Plan of action today is just to trade. I'm about to jump on a market call for the members of the community. We have big pound news today at 12 o'clock. Again at 12:30, and then we got big euro news around 12:45. So from now, which is 8 AM till 12 o'clock, there's no point even going on the charts. So I'm just going to go about my morning and enjoy my day, and I'll take you guys with me. We may even go for a run or a gym sesh. We will see which one we fancy doing. I'm leaning towards a gym sesh because I am not an avid runner. And that's the beauty of traveling and trading, is when I know the market's going to be quiet up until that news, I'm not going to sit on the charts. There's literally no point you sitting on the charts until that news. You're only going to force trades and force things. There's no point trying to predict anything until that news comes out. So perks of traveling and trading is I could just go out about my day and enjoy my morning, go explore Denia and see what it's about, go get some breakfast, get some coffee, and just have a more of a relaxed morning. If it was warm enough, I would go for a swim, but I don't think it's warm enough, so I'm not gonna jump in the sea today. Let me give you guys a tour of the apartment. My uncle was kind enough to let me stay here for the week, and it's a really, really nice apartment, so let me show you guys around. So here is the kitchen, here is, of course, the trading setup, and then you come out here, you got a really nice balcony, which is a fantastic sun trap when the sun comes around. I don't know if you guys can see it well, but the mountains up there are absolutely beautiful. Lovely artwork. Maybe traditional Spanish houses are like this, but we've got these really nice high roofs, which is absolutely stunning. And then we got there's me, we've got a nice area here. And then we come through here, we've got a nice swing there, which I'm definitely not gonna swing on because I am probably way too heavy for that, and it's probably just for show. And we've got the bedroom here, and then we've got a nice living room there. Two really nice Juliet balconies, which are absolutely stunning to open up in the morning and just let in lots of fresh air. Sometimes I'll come here, I'll stand and I'll just look at the views and just drink my coffee and just appreciate everything that's going on, because it's a lovely, lovely little town. This is where I went this morning to get my little morning coffee, so it's absolutely ideal. Really nice place to stay and trade in for the week ahead. So far, been a successful week in the markets, up a nice 3%. Can't complain. Sit here, enjoy my coffee, record a market call for the community, and then I will take you guys on the next step of the day, whatever that may be. I don't really have any plans today, but I wanted to record a day in life just to show you guys around Denia. So maybe we'll just go do some exploring, go for a little gym session, and just see how the day goes, and hopefully take some live trades with you guys. We'll see how EU plays out as well. We've got NFP on Friday, so I don't have huge hopes, but it would be really, really nice to see some US dollar strength come in. But I'll update you guys on EU as the day progresses. 2 hours on, I ended up jumping on a market call and then jumped on a one-to-one with one of the members who's looking to jump on an FTMO challenge next week, so super excited to see him absolutely crush that. Helped him out with some really, really key psychological tips, because the hardest thing about FTMO and any sort of challenge is the psychology aspect. If you can't control your emotions, you're doomed to fail in almost all challenges. Euro USD is running more into profit, so let me show you guys this. Euro USD running into profit, and around this level is where we're then going to be looking to take some long. So I don't actually have a take profit here, but it's a place where I'm going to look to go to break even. But we could see this thing absolutely drop even further by looking at the daily. But around this level is a key level of look, resistance broke above, come back down, test the support. So it makes sense for us to go to break even and also look to anchor our shorts by taking longs from around here. And that's how you guys need to trade with no emotions and no bias, is stop trying to predict the markets, okay? Take a position, when it gets into a key level, take the other side. When you have positions in buys, sells all over the market, you couldn't care less which way price is gonna go. You simply react to what you're gonna see. We had another coffee, so I'm about to finish this and go get in a little gym session before that news comes in. So we've got 2 hours until that news comes in. So gym session, lunch, and then we'll jump back on the charts. Oh, I'm gonna drop this. Oh, can I do it? Shit. Other than this being slightly lukewarm, perfect pre-workout. Let's go get a session in. Just finished a great little pull session, back and biceps absolutely smashed now. We got some lunch. I'm gonna go back, hop on the charts, ready for that news, and see how our Euro USD trade is running. I've also taken another trade, which I will show you guys when we get back. Absolute scorcher of a day, guys. The beautiful sun trap. Like I said this morning, the way the sun comes around right into this cove, it is absolutely stunning. The mountains over there are beautiful, which you guys probably still can't see properly. It doesn't do it justice, but it's lovely. Breaking the fast with this little yogurt protein shake drink. I picked up 2 of them, banana and tropical, so this is like a lovely little protein drink to have after the gym when it's sunny outside, so give it a little try. Okay, plan of action, down these because they taste like ass. Half an hour until the news comes out, so I'm just going to sit here, enjoy these shakes, and then jump back on the charts. I entered into another EU position, so I will share that with you guys when we go back on the charts, but for now, I'm going to sit here, soak up this beautiful sun. Also, I wouldn't be on holiday without picking up a pastry, so picked up this thing. It looks like it's got bacon and cheese inside, so this looks pretty sweet. Let's give this a little try. 5 minutes to go until we get that news, so let me show you guys my Euro USD positions. So this is the short that we took, and I've also decided to hedge some longs around this region because it's not really focusing too well, but what we have here is a very key level of resistance broke above support, so we could just see this push up. If we do see this push up, there's nothing going to be more frustrating than seeing this position that's running in almost 2% profit get stopped at break even. So I'm exposing myself to the fact that this could push up, take out this daily high before then having that swing back down, and if we do so, I'll be looking to catch a nice 5% on the way up before then this looking to come down for a really nice 10% trade. However, if we do just fall from here, because this was a fantastic entry, then this short will get stopped at a small loss, but then this trade will run more into profit. And that's how you guys want to trade. You want to expose to yourself to the fact that anything in the markets can happen, okay? I have longs, I have shorts. Now I'm simply going to wait for the news to come out and react to that. I don't have to try and predict anything right now. My shorts are covered at break even, my longs are going to go break even just after this news, and then we can reassess which way Euro USD wants to go. But if we come out right now with a weaker Euro, then this position is going to run really nice. Or if we come out with some Euro strength, then again, my longs are going to run more into profit. So it is a win-win situation, and that's how you guys want to learn to trade. Also guys, news has just come out for the pound, and this is pound yen. So we have a level of support, resistance. And I said to everyone in the community, do not go short here. Every retail trader goes short here with their stop loss somewhere just above these highs, or probably even just above this high. And look what's happening now. Retail traders are getting massively stop hunted on pound yen, and it's playing out very well. So let's see how the news goes in the next half an hour. All right guys, so update, I was just sitting on the balcony about to have a little nap in the sun, and an alert just went off, and EU longs have just hit 5.5% profit. 5.5% in a day, fantastic, and we've just locked that in. 3 days into February, and we are currently up 8.5% with 2 trades, Euro USD and CAD Swiss franc. And now that's me done for the day. 5.5% is 2 o'clock So it is 3 o'clock here in Spain, 2 o'clock in London, and I'm fully done for the day, and I'm probably even done for the rest of the week. There's no need to overtrade or force anything yet. We have non-farm payroll tomorrow, and I don't plan on sitting on the charts for that. When you make your profits, it's super important for you to know when to then take that step back. 8.5% in 3 days, very, very happy with that. I'm currently debating putting on my swimming costume and going for a swim because we've just banked 5.5% and I feel like I need to do something crazy. There's literally no point me sitting on the chart, so I think we may have to go out. And just for the sake of the vlog, I feel like I have to now go for a swim. Now that I've said it to you guys, if I don't go for a swim, I know you're all gonna be disappointed and everyone's gonna unsubscribe, and then we're not gonna be able to make these videos anymore. So let's go for a swim. We'll go down and we'll see what it's like. Oh, it's gonna be cold. It's gonna be very, very cold. The closer we get into the sea, the more I'm regretting agreeing to this. God, it's gonna be cold. Absolutely not. We are not doing that. Just kidding. Wow, now that was actually incredibly refreshing. I'm actually gonna put the camera down and go back in. I promise. I'm not just putting the camera down and going home. I'm gonna go back in. That was absolutely lovely. So guys, swim is done. Now we're gonna go home, chill out, have some dinner, see how the markets are looking, and update the community. So I bought these little things from the shop. I have absolutely no idea what they are, but they look pretty good, so. It's good. I'm not sure what it is. It's not a croissant, it's not a pain au chocolat, but it's good. Alright guys, so we're back, we're showered, done for the day. Euro AUD, we closed that out for a total of 5.5%. An absolutely fantastic day in the markets here in Denia, Spain. So I'm pretty much now just gonna have some dinner, chill out, and just unwind and enjoy the rest of my evening. But I hope you guys enjoyed this day in the life joining me from Denia in Spain. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.